Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix DISM repair command stuck at processing on Windows, DISM or deployment image. Servicing and management is a system tool that manages and services images and components on Windows, a tool also used to repair corrupt system files. But there have been reports from users wherein, while performing DISM scan, the command gets stuck at processing. For today's video, we have here several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to resolve stuck at processing during DISM scan. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, restart computer. The very first thing that you can do with this problem is to restart your computer. It basically reboots all process and programs that may be responsible for the problem to occur. Restart by simply pressing on the Windows or Start button, then click Restart tab. After computer completely reboots, perform DISM scan again, and then check if the problem is resolved. Second solution, run SFC scan. If there are corrupt system files on your computer, it is likely possible to be the cause for the command to get stuck at processing. To fix this, run an SFC scan or system file checker scan to scan the computer for corrupt system files. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar, located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if issue still occurs. Third solution, run disk checker. Likewise, a corrupt disk on your system also prevents other drives to be accessed. Thereby, system performance will be hindered. Run disk checker to repair corrupt disk if there are any for seamless functioning of your PC. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command and press enter. Wait for disk checker scan to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if issue still occurs. Fourth solution, install latest Windows update. An outdated Windows can also cause other programs to not perform properly, thereby leading to errors and problems to occur. Make sure Windows is up to date. To do this, click Start Click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security and click Windows Update at left pane, then click Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for available updates. If there are updates available, click Download and Install. After downloading and installing latest Windows Update, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if issue still occurs. Fifth solution, run DISM scan in safe mode. If none of the solutions mentioned did not fix DISM, stuck at processing, you can run the same command again, but this time in safe mode. With safe mode, the system reboots with its default programs only and often helps issues on your computer. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. At Runbox, type msconfig and press enter. Then at System Configuration window, click Boot tab. Now under Boot Options, click to check the option Safe Boot. Make sure Minimal is also selected. Next, click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, it will now enter into safe mode. Now perform DISM command again in safe mode to check whether the command will completely process this time. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.